Kasa smart bulbs connect to your home network via Wi-Fi, primarily using the 2.4 GHz band for reliable performance. Connection issues often stem from several common causes that can be easily addressed. One common issue is entering incorrect Wi-Fi credentials during setup. Some routers use newer standards like WPA3 or Wi-Fi 6E and 7, which older bulbs may not fully support. Signal interference from microwaves, cordless phones, or neighboring networks can disrupt the connection. Outdated firmware on the bulb can cause compatibility issues with modern routers. Sometimes it's as simple as the bulb being too far from the router or the router needing a reboot. The Kasa app now includes an AI troubleshooter to help diagnose and fix connection issues in real time. First, ensure your router's 2.4 GHz band is enabled. Download the latest Kasa app. Power on the bulb and hold the reset button for about 5 seconds until it blinks. In the app, select Add Device, Lighting, Smart Bulb, and follow the prompts to connect to your Wi-Fi. If it fails, use the app's Smart Setup mode for auto detection. Proximity is key. Stay within 10 to 15 feet of the router during setup. If the quick setup fails, try an app reset. Start by opening the Kasa app and navigating to the device settings. In the device settings, tap the Remove Device button and confirm the action. Then, unplug the bulb from its socket for 30 seconds to clear any cache data. Plug the bulb back in and reset it using the physical button on the bulb. Finally, re-add the bulb through the app setup process. This clears any cache data that might be causing issues. TP-Link reports a 70% success rate with this method. Kasa bulbs use standard Wi-Fi protocols, specifically 802.11bgn. Signal strength is crucial for Kasa bulbs. Aim for at least -50 dm for reliable operation. Ensure your router supports WEP, PA2, or WPA3 security protocols. Avoid hidden SSIDs, as they can complicate pairing with the bulb. Power cycling the bulb resets its internal memory. Keep the bulb's firmware updated for bug fixes compatible with modern routers. Unable to connect usually indicates incorrect Wi-Fi credentials. Router reboots fix device offline issues in most cases. First, isolate the problem by ensuring the bulb is powered on and within setup mode. Check for interference from microwaves or other devices operating on the same 2.4 GHz frequency. Verify your Wi-Fi password is correct and matches exactly, including case sensitivity. Temporarily disable any router firewalls or MAC address filtering to see if that's blocking the bulb. Try connecting other devices to your Wi-Fi to rule out router issues. Ensure the bulb is within range of your router. Walls and other obstructions can weaken the signal. To access your router's settings, open a web browser and enter your router's IP address, typically 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Log in with your username and password, usually found on the router label. Once in settings, check your Wi-Fi configuration. If your router is set to 5 GHz only mode, switch it to dual band to include both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Kasa bulbs work best on 2.4 GHz for stability, and dual band ensures compatibility. Ensure your router firmware is up to date. Outdated firmware can cause connectivity issues with IoT devices. Check for updates in the router admin panel or manufacturer's website and install them to fix bugs related to Wi-Fi protocols. Review other router settings that might interfere with IoT devices, such as security protocols, channel settings, or QoS features. Ensure WPA2 or WPA3 is used and avoid hidden SSIDs. Adjust channels if there's interference from neighboring networks. If you're unsure about advanced settings, consult your router's manual or contact your ISP for help. These steps can resolve most connectivity issues with Kasa bulbs by ensuring proper router configuration. Kasa bulbs are increasingly compatible with mesh networks like Amazon Eero or Google Nest Wi-Fi for wider coverage. The Matter protocol, integrated in 2025, aims to improve cross-brand connectivity. Expect AI-driven diagnostics in the Kasa app to predict and prevent disconnections. Future bulbs may include built-in Wi-Fi boosters. Keep an eye on these developments for improved connectivity. Experts recommend prioritizing router upgrades over constant bulb resets. Many connectivity issues stem from outdated router firmware or compatibility problems that bulb resets alone cannot fix. Connectivity issues may persist until universal standards like Matter are widely adopted. This protocol, integrated by Kasa in 2025, enables seamless cross-brand connectivity and reduces Wi-Fi complications. If all else fails, contact TP-Link support. They may have specific solutions for your bulb model or router, including firmware patches or compatibility guides available on their official site. As a last resort, consider replacing the bulb if it's under warranty. Hardware failures from power surges account for about 20% of issues, and a new bulb may resolve persistent problems. Make sure to check the bulb's compatibility with your specific router before purchasing new smart bulbs. Look for models that support your router's security protocols, like WPA3, and consider future-proof options with Matter compatibility.